Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but I have a mic now. Yes. As you can see right here, your girl got a new mic, or a microphone. A microphone. So, hopefully the eating sounds and the burps and the food sounds and noises that I personally love to hear, hopefully you can hear them a little bit better now with this mic, if I'm using it correctly. We'll see. But today I made ramen. Oh yeah. 3 packs of ramen in here. And this flavor is, I'm pretty sure it's new. I've never seen it before. But I was in Dollar General and I saw that they have a chili flavored ramen, and it says vegetarian on the pack, but it is vegan. It's like a bright green package. And yeah, while I was cooking the noodles, I wanted to taste the packet just to see if it was like super spicy, and it has a little kick to it, but it tastes really good. So I'm super excited. And then we have some Sprite, and I have a big jug of water right outside of the camera. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh yeah, looks so good. I'm excited. Kind of want to move this out of the way while I eat. Let's see, look better. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That's so good. I forgot to say, so I made 3 packs of noodles, but I only put 2 packs of the seasoning in. I just didn't want it to be like too much, but I have the pack here in case I decide to add it. But right now, this is like perfect. So freaking good. Whoa, that's a lot. How long do you guys like to cook your ramen for? The pack says 3 minutes, but that's pretty much like al dente. I cook it more on like the 5-minute, but I try not to overdo it. So how long do you guys like to cook yours for? This is so good. Mm. Mm. I've been on a Sprite kick lately. Not good, but oh yeah. So when I smelt the packet, like before I tasted it, it smells like taco seasoning. But then you try it and it's like that little kick. Almost reminds me of like, maybe if I'm remembering right, kind of like the chicken flavor. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but it's so freaking good. Mm. And just let me know like what you think of this mic setup. I don't know if I'm talking too loud or like the sound of the chopsticks on the bowl is too much. So just let me know so I can correct it. Ooh yeah. And I do have, oh goodness. I do have a burping video coming probably within 2 to 3 days after filming this, or after uploading this video. I'm going to be trying a new soda that I've never seen before, never heard of. And it's not a US brand. There's a little hint for you. Mm. Mm. You have to try it. The chili ramen, so good. Mm. Usually I would just like buy the ramen and throw away the seasoning packs because I think besides Oriental, none of them are vegan. So I would like make my own seasoning for it, like just throw in a bunch of different things. But having this, it's just so freaking good. Mm. Way better than what I was expecting. Mm. Mm. So I started decorating for Christmas. I kept the lights up year round, you could see throughout my videos, but I added the red garland and the bow ties because my house was not feeling festive and Christmassy at all. So yesterday, Brennan and I were just cleaning up the house and we got out the big Christmas tub. And yeah, now it feels a lot more December and Christmassy. And I also now have wallflowers from Bath and Body Works in the scent Spiced Apple Toddy. So damn good. Ooh, I got a burp. Yes. Mm. It's funny, I started cooking the noodles. I did 2 packs. And then they were cooking. I'm like, that does not seem enough, especially in this big freaking bowl. So halfway through cooking the first 2, I added the other one. And as you can see, I'm glad I did because I'm almost done. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day and week so far. Are you ready for Christmas or what? Do you celebrate Christmas? Keep them coming. But yeah, I'm super excited about Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, favorite time of the year. I'm playing Christmas music every single day. It's finally cooler in Florida. We had like a cold front a few weeks back and then it got up to the high 80s. So now it's like in the low 60s. I think it's in the 50s today. And it just feels so good. It just puts me in such a better mood. Mm. Mm. I have a few Christmas themed video ideas that I plan on doing. I'm so excited for. It's gonna be epic. Mm. And I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas this year. I think last year I was considering doing it, and I feel like I might have done it, but only for maybe like 5-7 days. Like, it was whack. So I'm thinking of doing it this year. It's just, my life is not very exciting. Like, I don't do too much. So doing like a lot of vlogs back to back every day, it's like I'm gonna have to find something fun to put in a vlog, you know? So we'll see. But I kind of want to. Abby, you want to come say hi? Nope, she's going to eat too. All right. As if I didn't have enough spice today already. I woke up and I wanted to eat something, but low-key was feeling super lazy to come downstairs. And I had my Takis upstairs, or you know, those taquitos that I ate in my graveyard dip mukbang. And I literally had like half the bag and major heartburn afterwards. And that was like 4 hours ago. And then I was like, I really want to do this ramen video, but my heartburn is so bad, and this is going to be spicy too, but it's actually not that bad. Like, I'm feeling okay. I'm glad I added hot water at the end, because I drained the noodles and then put them in the bowl, but they were kind of like sticky since there was no liquid. So I heated up some water and added that. It just makes things like a lot more easier to slurp. There's like little flecks of chili too. Yo. After how many months of not having internet and using my phone, we are finally getting internet, and it's going to be hooked up tomorrow. I am, like, you don't even know. You have no idea how excited I am. Now we have a mic. I'm going to get internet, so I'll be using my camera. And best of all, I'll be able to edit on my computer with a different software than iMovie. iMovie's great. It's awesome. And I'll probably still use it from time to time. Oh, fuck, yes. But editing on my computer and just having more options, I'm so stoked for. So just get ready, because these videos, like, quality all around is just about to be on 100. I think we're down to last couple bites. I think it was a perfect amount too, because I'm feeling content. I'm not like stuffed. Put that out of the frame. That's it. One little serving left. Not bad. And it's not even 20 minutes yet. Crazy. See, this I can do. But doing the spicy noodle challenge, it's just like too unbearable. And I don't even enjoy it, because it's so hot. Got one more bite left. Whew, that's bubbly. Oh, today is such a beautiful, gorgeous day out. Like, the sky is so blue with the perfect white clouds. Like I said, it's like in the high 50s, low 60s. And it just puts me in such a good mood. Like, I feel like I want to be so productive. I already have my December budget page and my planner filled out, you know, with everything set on when the bills are due, how much I'm projected to make next month, you know, all that, which I love doing. Yo, these burps though, these burps. And then I wanted to make a video, you know, upload it to my channel. Like, I want to start, like I said, now that I'm getting internet and I have the mic, I'll be using my camera. Like, I want to start giving you guys top quality videos and more of it. Also, like, our house is clean, you know. I want to do some meal prepping. I want to read like my You Are a Badass book and The Secret. I'm just feeling all kinds of productive today. And I have the weather to thank, and yeah, I'm just feeling good. I know I'm not the only one though, right? Do you guys get super like joyful and cheery when the weather is beautiful and cool out? Now, I know there's people, especially people who are in Florida, they're here for a reason, and it's for the heat and the warmth. I'm not one of those people though. I love this weather. Like, it's gorgeous. And sorry if you can hear my stomach. I'm not sure what my stomach's doing. Just like that, we're done. Do you like this shirt, by the way? You can't really see, but it's thin material. It's kind of like sweater-like, super soft and comfortable. Got it from the thrift store for $1.60, and it's Victoria's Secret. And you know, this must have originally been at least 30 plus, at least. So, yeah, that was my very awesome thrift find. Yo, was that like burp 7 or what? But yeah, this soda, every time I go to my mom's, I'm just like in the fridge, and they don't drink the soda. I think she got like a 24 pack for Thanksgiving, and barely any was taken. So I brought 4 home, you know, bring some home here and there. I need to stop. But it's just so good. When I'm out though, like, I don't order soda. I'm feeling very content. I'm not super stuffed or anything, and that is what I like. I hate when I'm like sick, like so full to the point I feel sick. I'm gonna finish this last sip. I'm gonna finish this last sip, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Oh gosh, the carbonation. Ooh. Okay. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It was super delish. Hopefully you have a that chili flavored ramen where you live. I know ramen's not the best for you. I'm aware of that, but it is pretty good here and there. You know, occasionally. Everything in moderation. But let me know what you think of it. If you do try out the chili ramen, I give it 10 out of 10. It is super good. Not too spicy. It's got a little heat to it, but I say on the heat level, it's probably 4 out of 10, maybe 5. But yeah, I'm going to finish having a productive day and yeah, start thinking of some more Christmas ideas and video ideas for next month. Whew, I think that's a final burp for this video at least. But yeah, think of some more video ideas for December. And if you have any ideas or video ideas for me, let me know down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. And I will see you very soon. Bye.